Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 149 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something. I get a lot of questions about this, about what seeds I keep or what plants do I let go to seed and take the seeds from for next year. So most of them are Zaatar plants that I have. I have many videos about that. My channel's named Zaatar. Because it's too expensive to ship. You don't know what you're really getting, and I can select name varieties or really good plants of that variety and propagate those genes into the future. But there's a plant I like to keep because, one, I think it's too expensive to buy, and the germination is horrible when I buy packets of, is cilantro. So cilantro is extremely easy to grow unless it's really hot, and it's really easy to collect the seeds. Nice long stalk, cut it from the bottom, take it inside or put it in a trash bag, shake it, grind it up a little bit. Smash it up so the seeds fall off, and there you go. You know, I have 2 of them. So I love collecting cilantro seeds. And usually what I do is just let them drop where they are right here. This is where usually I put the cilantro here or underneath that side of the peach tree. This is the donut peach. I like to put it under here. I don't know why, but I do. But yeah, this is what they look like. And you could use this in your cooking. You could, grind it up. It's very tasty. Coriander, if I pronounced that correctly. I'm not too sure. Anyways, I gotta keep going. I think I got 1 or 2 more to make the 20 for this weekend, 20th video. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye.